Hey everybody, how much do you know about space? Let's check it. So, first question. What is a large system of stars, gas, and dust? Answer B, galaxy. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains over 200 billion stars. What is a luminous celestial body made of hot gas? Star is the answer. Our sun is a star and the closest one to Earth. What is the natural satellite of a planet? Moon is the answer. Earth's moon is the 5th largest of over 200 moons orbiting planets in our solar system. Write in the comments if you guessed right. What is a body orbiting a star called? Planet, of course. There are 8 recognized planets in our solar system. Which is the central star of our solar system? Sun is the answer. What is the icy body that orbits the sun and has a tail? Comet is the answer. The tails of comets always point away from the sun due to solar wind. What is the instrument used for observing distant objects? Answer C, telescope. Galileo made significant early observations using a telescope in the 17th century. What is the name of the space rock that has entered the Earth's atmosphere? Meteor. When the meteor lands on Earth's surface, it's referred to as a meteorite. What is an object in orbit around a planet called? Answer B, satellite. Apart from natural satellites like moons, thousands of artificial satellites orbit Earth, serving various purposes. What is an object with such a strong gravitational pull that nothing can escape from it? Answer B. Black holes are regions in space where gravity pulls so much that not even light can escape. Who was a person trained for space travel? Astronaut is the answer. Yuri Gagarin, a Russian cosmonaut, was the first human to travel into space in 1961. What is an extraterrestrial life form? Answer C, alien. While popular in culture and fiction, there's no concrete evidence of extraterrestrial life yet. What is the force that pulls objects towards one another? Gravity is the answer. Sir Isaac Newton is credited with the universal law of gravitation in the 17th century. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars, of course. Mars has the tallest volcano and the deepest canyon in the solar system. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Interesting fact, Jupiter is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. What is NASA's program aimed at returning humans to the moon? The Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by the mid-2020s. What is the name of Russia's federal space agency? Roscosmos is the answer. What is the name of SpaceX's series of launch vehicles? Answer C, Falcon. What's the name of the orbital space station designed for international collaboration? ISS is the answer. The International Space Station is a joint project between NASA, Roscosmos, JAXA, ESA, and CSA. What is the primary crewed spacecraft used for ISS missions by Russia? Answer C. The Soyuz spacecraft has been used since the 1960s, making it one of the longest-running space vehicle designs. Which telescope was launched to observe distant galaxies and stars? Hubble is the answer. The Hubble Space Telescope has provided some of the most detailed images of space and has been crucial in many astronomical discoveries. Which planet is known for its distinctive rings? It's Saturn. Did you know that Saturn's rings are mostly composed of ice particles? Write in the comments. What is the theory that explains the origin of the universe? The Big Bang Theory suggests that the universe began as a singularity about 13.8 billion years ago. What is the unseen and identified form of matter? Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. It doesn't interact with electromagnetic forces, which means it doesn't produce or interact with light. What is a supernova? Which mission first landed humans on the moon? Apollo is the answer. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 made Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin the first and second humans to walk on the moon. What's the name of the company founded by Elon Musk for space exploration? SpaceX developed the first privately funded spacecraft to reach the International Space Station. What is the distance that light travels in 1 year called? Light year is the answer. 1 light year is about 5.88 trillion miles, or 9.46 trillion kilometers. What is the path that an object takes around another object called? Answer C, orbit. Earth orbits the Sun once roughly every 365.25 days. What is the name of a reusable spacecraft designed for transporting to space? Space Shuttle. NASA's Space Shuttle program operated from 1981 to 2011. What is the name of the vehicle designed to explore the surface of celestial bodies? Rover is the answer. Mars rovers, such as Curiosity and Perseverance, have provided invaluable insights about the red planet. Great job! Share your score in the comments. Don't forget to watch this video and subscribe. Until next time.